So, as you all know, this is my sorta jank server slash gaming PC. And to be fair, it's really good, except for the fact, last time I built it, I showed you how I only connected in one of the two sockets of sorts for the. Sorry, I just got back from camp. I'm a little braining right now. Oh yeah, basically one of the ports only filled in one of the connectors for the CPU sockets. So I was able to find an adapter on AliExpress. All surprisingly enough, and not on eBay or Amazon or even Wish. That bridges that problem and gives me full on two. Like seriously, it goes from two pins, like eight penny thing to two 8 penny things. So should be fine. And because I accidentally started filming in 60 FPS, we're just gonna continue filming in 60 FPS. Cause why the hell not? Yeah, let's get started. We gotta check if the computer's on. Yeah, I think it's off. Okay, let's turn off the power supply. Alright. Yank. Get that off of there. And then we're just gonna move my bat to seal. Get my. These are my old clothes. Yeah, they are. Toss those aside. And then find a place for you to set you down. Should be right here. Okay. Let's get started, huh? So with this keyboard aside, since now we have a lot more space since there's no laptop here. Move the mouse there. And we can probably work in this area. Just pop that off. Move it sorta-ish there. Even better, just shove it down there. Hope for the best. Now let's just unplug my peripherals. Yoink. Yoink. Yank out both HDMI plugs and the power supply. Yoink. And just pull it out. Oh well, technically pick it up. Oh. Heavy quality. Very heavy here. Ignore the lack of PCI covers. Don't worry about that. So far I've played CSGO at max settings on this computer. Ran at smooth. I mean very smooth. Consistent 60 FPS. No dips. No screen tearing. No weird lag. No stuttering. Nothing. Just smooth. 60 FPS CSGO. So now there's no longer a problem of, oh, I have too many monitors, or oh, I have like my monitor. I shouldn't upgrade my monitor because my GPU can't handle it. Now it's like my computer's too powerful. I can't I can't really push it to its limits because of the fact I have two 1080p monitors, both running at 60 Hz. To be fair, this one's a bit smaller. It's 21 inches, 24 inches. Big difference. 3 inches means a lot. Right, women? Agree with me now. Now, the only problem might be that it's not long enough to reach both ends. But I think it should be fine if I try hard enough. Probably will be fine. Probably will be fine. Wait. I'm gonna pull out the PCIe. I'll pull out the PCIe. Do these match by any chance? Surprisingly enough, yes. It doesn't match. It's weird. Okay. Oh yeah, it does match, but it shouldn't. Like, it's not the correct holes, but it still goes in. So that's weird. Yeah, I always hate putting this one on from the Be Quiet power supply. It's such a janky maneuver. Because one of them doesn't clip onto the other. Why is it struggling this time? What the hell, man? What was the reason for all that fuss? Like, this one doesn't clip onto this one because they didn't make it like that, you know? You gotta save on that plastic, you know? Save on your convenience. Haha. Big L. Alright, that's the motherboard interfering because it's very wide. The big motherboard, to be fair. Pretty sure it's in. Like, all the way. I didn't see no clip. Should be fine. Look, worst case scenario about this not being plugged in all the way is it doesn't give me any like output, and that's like not that much of a problem, to be fair. Not problematic, to be fair. Yeah. Okay. Plug that in. Oh, that was a very quiet click. I feel scammed. Okay, the other one. Another scam. Honestly, I thought I didn't need it longer, but apparently I do. But it should be fine. Boom, it went in. They're now connected. Incredible. Even more cables that don't really look that good in this computer. Okay, we're gonna... What? Stop. Go down. Go down. Go down under the other cable. Hide. There we go. Okay, kind of improved the airflow for the CPU because it moved the actual, you know, motherboard cables out of the way. Forced them under this like metal clip. These two are incorrectly on here, but it's holding, you know, for the fan. However, it's also holding that motherboard cable. So I'm just gonna keep it jank like that because it's actually improving cable management, and the fan stays still either way, so it doesn't really matter that much. So should be fine. Should be fine. Okay, like each CPU is like 120 watts, which is actually pretty surprising, considering that both of these CPUs got third place on a Cinebench multi-score test, and definitely didn't lose in a single core test compared to my previous laptop. But fair, this is much better. Like, seriously, I could just do this. Like, watch. Swear I didn't use my hands because I don't want to break this thing. Trust me, bro. Yeah, let's test boot it first. This thing is like a billion kilograms, man. Which monitor has which connector? Okay. Connect to the HP monitor because for some reason that's more compatible, despite their HP laptops being hot garbage. Seriously, one of my HP laptops randomly died after plugging it in. Like, it booted, gone, no more. Yum more. You wanna open it up? You removed all the screws? Don't care. Oh, you removed all the screws? Nah, don't care. Oh, every single screw? Nah, I don't care. Oh, you know where the clips are? I don't care. Seriously, it's like, what? Bro, I did everything that needed to be done. Why you open it up? It's like, just cause I don't feel like it, man.
Come back in later time. Yeah. Cool. Thanks, man. I like this. Like, these are so useful. You have no clue. It's a little awkward to get this one off, but while it's on here, it should be fine. To be fair, the only problem is the back one doesn't have any like air dust filters, and so does the front. The only advantage is it's small holes, which is also a disadvantage. So I'm only running 2 of the fans out of the 3 fans. So that's great. I don't know, maybe I can try some more jank in a different video. Because I'm too tired to do that now. Okay, I'm just... Oh, heavy. To be fair, these cables made it undescribably tiny little bit heavier. Oh, that's the mouse. How's the mouse that far away? It's the keyboard. How is the keyboard closer than the mouse? You know, the mouse has a longer cable. Okay, let's boot it up. Alright. Okay, let's boot her up. Instant spin. I think the loudest part when booting up this computer is this. Absolutely, this is very loud. It's like... Oh, and the GPU. GPU definitely very loud too. Just blowing out. Like, it's like this. For the GPU. What do you mean no image? Oh, there we go. I got a picture. I got Windows. Let's go. Yeah, so that means the CPU, like, power splitter should be fine, theoretically. Because it does have enough power. Like, reading it here for 12 volt rail. How much? 12 volt 1, 12 volt 2. Right. It's in there. CPU has that much you get for them. Wow, that's a lot of watts. Yeah, this thing will be fine. Because, like, it's calling it, 12 volt 1, 12 volt 2. Ignore my fanboy profile picture. And it's like, oh, okay, we're just gonna count that separate. 38 amps, 465 watts. So, yeah, that's not gonna be a problem. Like, this will handle it completely fine. Warranty void if removed. Well, I'm not gonna void the warranty. I mean, duh. Anyways, let's just run Cinema. Why are you opening stupid programs I had to get because of school? Stop it. Relax. We need Cinebench, right? Yeah, there is. No, that's not it. Cinebench. There we go. First, before we open Cinebench, actually, let's open up MSI Afterburner, completely max out the GPU fan speed, and lower its. Don't care. And lower its speed so the GPU draws this. Actually, no, that's unrealistic. Let's keep it the same. Let's increase power limit and fan speed our own. So it's gonna get very loud. Just watch. It vibrates, bro. Like at the start, before it just calms down and neutralizes the balanced forces. Seriously, the entire thing vibrates because of the GPU. That's how fast it is. It's going 130% instead of 100. I don't know how. How is that allowed? I don't know. Don't ask me questions. What do you mean Cinebench doesn't want to open? I want Cinebench, man. Are you kidding me? Do I actually need Wi-Fi for this? Cinebench.exe. I need Wi-Fi to use Cinebench? Are you serious? Come here. Buddy. Okay. We're gonna get Wi-Fi up in here? Fine. What's 17 more years? I can always start again. Make another kid. What do you mean? Let me run Cinebench, bro. Does seriously have to restart to use Cinebench? Fine. What's a minute? What's one more minute? I can always start again. Restart the system. Screw. Heatsink. Heatsink. This looks different than that one. And so there's this one compared to this one. Yeah, it's really odd. Like, two of these look bad, two of these look good. Like, it's not supposed to be all even. Some of them are like, oh, this one's shrunk. Oh, this one's half gone. Like, it's got, like, the top of the heatsink has discoloration. Like, the little pointy bits, discoloration from being so hot while being shaped. Wow, the lights are bright. The blue lights are killing my eyes. Cinebench. What the hell? Cinebench broke while I was gone for some reason. That's Steam. We're just gonna shut it off for now and we'll be fine. I just realized this case doesn't have a hard drive. Oh no, it does have a hard drive, babe. It has two of them down here. Right, that's two? Yeah, that's two. Looks a bit small though. Who cares? It will fit a big hard drive. That won't matter. Because I want to replace my old external hard drive. Because seriously, it's old at this point. It's like 3 years old. Has like literally more than half of it is full at this point. It's like 70 terabytes. No, sorry, 70% out of 6 terabytes. Well, 5.5 terabytes because of formatting. And I've done this. Hold on. I removed some of the storage patterns by putting it on these sticks. So that basically means if these die, a lot of stuff dies too. This is 128, 128, 128, 256. So 128, that's 256. This is 768 gigabytes. That doesn't sound right. That is not right. I was right about not being right. It's 640 gigabytes if I'm correct this time. So, to sound more correct, it's over 600 gigabytes of personal data shared across these 4 USBs. So, we're gonna have to one day buy a big old hard drive, shove it in this case, and just do it that way, pretty much. But now that we ensured that the computer does run, but for some reason Cinebench decided to just clock out randomly. Oh, I just realized I'm actually sitting on the chair, and this is on the chair. But luckily I didn't lean back at it all in this video, so I didn't break it. So, yeah, we're good, guys. We're good to go. We're good to put this on. Put it back on. Put on the wait. Pointy arrow. Where did you go? Oh, I'm putting it on there from this. Wait, how does... Oh, you telling me I put it on last time around? Oh, the matte finish is supposed to be on the inside. Who could have thought? Yeah, that makes much more sense. Okay, then. Fine. Fine. What is this scratch on here? Yeah, that's a problem with plexiglass. Scratches easily, but if it breaks, it won't shatter into a million pieces. Unlike the front panel. But like still, plexiglass scratches, then my build looks like a mess. Already dust collecting underneath the case. Alright. Hey, you didn't switch it off. Shut up, teacher. You're old. Oh yeah, I don't even have school yet, and I'm complaining about a teacher that I'll have in the future. So, whatever. Oh, that was. I just realized I set it down. Like, it's got disgusting skin particle stuff. This human moment. Okay. Screw it back on. No. Yeah. Yes. No. Yes. Now the last screw before I just put this thing back and don't have to worry about it for the next 15 million years. Yeah, well, to be fair, first thing I'll upgrade is storage and then the GPU. Also got to take care of that GPU sag, because it is real. Mine is sagging. That's fun, isn't it? Okay. Because I heard these CPUs can apparently go up to the 30 series of NVIDIA graphics cards, like RTX graphics cards. I think 3060, 3070. I think it was. Don't quote me on this, but I think it can go up to a 3090 before bottlenecking it. You know, like it bottlenecks the 3090 Ti. However, I have two CPUs, so I don't know. Maybe it'll be a different story that way. Unplugged. You can keep that plugged in. Seriously? Ow! Unplug the power supply anyway. Seriously, I had to move the gauge. Ow. Okay. Oh, Jesus. I should probably take into care of this tomorrow, but oh well, I might as well since I'm here. You know? Plug it in so tomorrow me doesn't have to be like, I have to plug it in. Wah. Plug it in there. And is it even? No. There we go. What? I'm suing. That was correct before, but for some reason it didn't fit. Yeah, fuck it. Do you even need USB 3.0 for a goddamn antenna? Probably not. So let's just do USB 2.0. And it's also slightly closer, so probably better. Who knows? Maybe? Yeah. I don't know. I'm not suing. Or am I? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Actually, let's not put it all the way in the other side too. Boom! Computer back on. And this time, this is correctly on there. Both HDMI in, right? No, it's not. Oh, yeah, no, it's not. I was about to say, oh, yeah, it is. But it's like, nope. Nope. You need to plug in the other one. Come on, man. Sure. There we go. Oh my god. There we go. Oh, let's just put it back into working order. It takes a while to boot compared to a laptop because there's, much more specific components. The computer has to be like, hey, you exist, and what are you if you exist? That one has better contrast and coloring. This one doesn't. This one's bigger though and chunkier, which means that one's better for the. Shut the hell up! Did I tell you to continue doing that? No, shut up, man. Where's mouse? There it is. Bro, we get it. You can be loud. Just shut up, man. Shut up, man. %. Yeah, that's my account. Seriously. Seriously, I gotta cut that out. Oh my god. So after Microsoft politely showed you my old phone number and my current Gmail, how to change phone number. Like, I'm guessing someone else now owns my previous phone number. I wouldn't be surprised. Why is Teams on here? I only downloaded Microsoft Office. No. Why are you running in the background? Who told you to do that? Let's open up Teams. And then do Control-Delete. Open up Task Manager. And here's Teams. You can end it. How is it using so much power? I don't get. How is Microsoft Office quick to run using even more power? Why is phone link a thing? I'm not using it. Goodbye. Goodbye. Microsoft Office quick to run. I told you to go away. Okay, anyways. Wow, glorious CPU. Look at that. Glorious CPU. Glorious. Glorious. Like seeing that. 28 cores. In my language is Yedra. 1 terabyte times like SSD. Let's your apps. Oh yeah, let's actually make some apps not boot. You know, when we start into Windows. Seriously, Skype is already off. Steam, I don't need. Microsoft Teams, shut up. Program, shut up. Well, BIOS, 34.1 seconds. God damn. To be fair, this is an ordinary Samsung SSD. It's like nothing special. It's not an Evo. It's not a Pro. It's just a 1 terabyte Samsung SSD 980. Nothing special. I'll probably one day at least, because I don't really have a problem with rolling blackouts, you know, in my place. So one day I'll probably get UPS when I move out and I figure out, oh yeah, where I'm living now, there are problems with blackouts. Look at a UPS. But for now, I don't really need that. If I'll ever get a UPS, I'll probably get like a low power one, like a power bank, but it has outlets on it. Like all my power banks. Basically, all my power banks combined into one. 50,000 milliamp hours with outlets on it. Whoa! Pretty much that kind of stuff. Yeah, even a lot. Probably not. Anyways, that was the videos for today. Yeah, it took like a while because I wanted to. I plugged it in. I opened it up. I plugged it in. I test booted it. I put it back. Oh, also found out Cinebench is kind of gone for some reason. Pretty much gonna take care of that tomorrow. So get screwed, future me. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and good night. Pretty much. I need a glass of water, bro, and some milk. And there's a lot of sleep, bro. Just a lot.